Good morning, man. It is flying day and Mike is driving me to the airport now.
Because I'm just a lovely guy.
He's a sweetheart, isn't he? Mike Fyfe? Airport. Mike Fyfe. Mike Fyfe? Alright, we're gonna see if we can sneak that fat beep into the cabin. Let's see how that works. Bye bye, Mike. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, so I'm back in London again and it's London Design Festival at the moment. I'm heading down to meet with Angelica Romanazzi, my good old buddy from the London Festival trips. So after a long wait, she's always late. Romanazzi is here.
With you, I did very good because with my friend I was 45 minutes late. It was starving. I'm really sorry.
She's always late, but that's Romanazzi.
But it's worth it. And then you see.
And now, Rachel Kneebones Bone. So the tradition of traveling around the London Design Festival is to check all the maps out. And then we start scratching off things we've already seen on the map. So now this is the Victoria Albert Museum plan. We've seen almost all of these. And then we have the other, I don't work here. Then we have the other plan for the whole of Brompton, which is that. What do you want to do?
What I want to do? I want to do so many things. Shall I start the list? I want to go to Sri Lanka to see the elephants.
We are now at Peter Pilotto's, which is a fashion designer's place. And this place is just so picturesque. It's all just pastel colors everywhere and it's just very good looking. So we are done with London Design Festival for now. We're just now going to pick up Mark, my brother, and then we're going to a little gathering I made to me with all of my London buddies if they're available, and listen to some live jazz in SOHO. Lisa, it doesn't matter how punctual you are, Lisa will kick your ass. Lisa will be the punctual one. You're early.
Hey! Time!
So Charlotte's here. Charlotte's sister is here. Romanazzi's here as always. Lisa's here. Mark is here. And turns out I got things wrong. The live blues was yesterday and I set up the Facebook event as 9 in the morning, was it? I don't think tonight's going really well. Katie is guiding the way. She has no idea where we're going.
I have a lot of idea.
This is this girl's sister. If you remember her from previous episodes, if she's anything to, and then you got, yeah, she was a winner.
But I guess I'm also gonna be a good master cook.
What kind of master is he? What were you saying, Mark?
Nothing.
So Mark is rubbing it in at the fact that I picked him up from a place where we were already there and told him, no, we have to go there. And now we're going back to the same place and he's rubbing it in. Brother time. Yeah, we found a place to stay at, which is really nice, but we missed the happy hour by 5 minutes. And I even offered this young lady here to touch my boobs to give us happy hour drinks, but she refused.
Maybe because you don't have nice boobs. Sorry.